Today I will be going through the nursing research guide because that is my major for college, and I'm going to go on the nursing library research guide. And as you can tell, Alexandra Sarkozy is the undergraduate library contact that you can contact if you need any help finding anything for the nursing program. And it shows right here that the guide consists of different pages/tabs listing resources in these areas for journal articles, tutorials, notes, and nursing informatics. Also, there is a video on here showing how the Wayne State Library System works, and there is quick links you can use, like Ask a Librarian, citation guides, and this PICO searching in PubMed, which is like an evidence-based nursing articles in Decompose. There's also different links right here that show like the nursing journal articles and databases, which we can click on, and it shows databases that contain nursing literature, which is cool in case you're writing a paper for your nursing class. And it gives all this information. We can click on the EndNote, see what that is. And it tells you what EndNote is. It is a software program available at a discount for purchase to faculty, staff, and students of Wayne State University. Users store and organize. So it helps you keep all your citation information in there. And we can go back and then click on the tutorials to see what that's all about. And this is to help with database searching. And if you have any questions, you can always email the undergraduate librarian, which again, her name is Alexandra. And you can look at journal rankings. And it gives Google Scholar Nursing Journal rankings and resources for assessing journal prestige. And it gives you strategies, so it gives you like steps on how to do that. And we can go on nursing informatics. And this shows books about nursing. So pretty much there's just a whole lot of information on how to find the correct information when it comes to nursing. And that's pretty much about it.